VRINGON, the smart design partner that brings AI into your creative process. At VRINGON, a single sketch or just a text prompt is all you need to kickstart your creative design journey. Upload your sketch or reference image. Just describe the design you want. The AI analyzes your image and automatically generates design prompts. You can input detailed descriptions for each part of your design. You can easily edit them. Select the part you want to change. Rewrite prompts. Change colors. Or upload new patterns, all with just a few clicks. Our Auto Fusion feature blends two designs into one. Upload your design or a reference image, and choose the intensity of each. The AI will do the rest. The AI mixes both designs and delivers a fresh spark of inspiration. With the multi-view feature, explore your design from all angles. Just select a view and generate it instantly. You can even simulate how it looks and moves with our virtual fitting tool. Now, let's show you how brands are using VRINGON. They start with a sketch and concept. Upload a sketch and write a prompt. Generate multiple design variations. Once you select a design, collaborate in real time with your team or clients to finalize the details. You can also create a production instruction sheet using the completed designs and content. Once finalized, the design moves directly into production. VRINGON also supports content creation. Promote your finished products with stylish images and videos. From design to feed-ready content, we are with you every step of the way. Now, let your ideas connect with the world. Get started now. VRINGON.